Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on the Wasabi batteries. It's not just the battery though, it's actually the battery and the battery charger. It actually comes with two batteries included. I really love it, guys. I used to use it all the time. I bought it around like 5 years ago when I used to use my DSLR camera a lot. But I do have to mention that after using it for around like 2 years, it used to work perfectly. It was awesome. I stopped using my DSLR camera for around 2 years as well. And after I stopped using it, I tried coming back to it and it would work fine for like 5 minutes, but then it would just say like low battery all the time, even if it was like completely charged and everything. So after a couple of years, it does start fading, but in the beginning, it works perfect, guys. I loved it. It worked awesome for like 2 years. I think it was just that I stopped using it, so it kind of like stopped working. It's super easy to use. Basically, the bag, you just stick it to the wall outlet and it works very nice. Whenever you plug it in, it does have the little light here that indicates whether it's fully charged or it needs charging. So I really love it. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for extra batteries to use for your DSLR camera. But yeah, really like it. Just have in mind that they may stop eventually working in the future, way in the future.